Hey gut feelers! Today we're going to talk about the best herbs for allergies. I'm going to give you my exact protocol that I used myself, that I also give to clients, so you know exactly after watching this video what you can do in a natural way to help you have less hay fever, have less brain fog, decongest your sinus, and just have more energy in your daily life. Just a side note, if you're hearing some music in the background, this is because I'm in Panama at the moment and it's a public holiday and people like to party, people like to dance, and that's what they're doing day and night. The way I structure this video for you is it has 4 parts. In the first 3 parts we talk about the 3 different herbs I'm recommending, those 3 different categories, and in the 4th we're going to go through the protocol through your day, when to use which herb and in which quantity. Are you ready, guys? Let's go! Number 1, my favorite and ever favorite for healing your allergies, the best antihistamine on planet Earth in plant form that I found is stinging nettle. Nothing new. If you watched any of the other allergy videos I have on this channel, there's also a playlist called Allergies and Food Intolerances, how to heal them naturally. Make sure you check them out. I link them also in the description below. Stinging nettle helps not only as an antihistamine to lower the histamine reaction in your body, but it also boosts, literally it boosts with phytochemicals, help heal your liver, help heal your gut, vitamins, minerals. So really, this is like a powerhouse. So this should be a staple for you. Stinging nettle. I'm going to link you a video about stinging nettle if you want to learn more about it, if that's new for you. Number 2, this might come as a surprise, but if you suffer from allergies, I had that for 15 years, I noticed that my nervous system was always on alert. I always had this feeling, oh my god, there's something wrong, because there was so much happening in my body. And one of the best things I found, and I also now recommend to clients, is a very gentle herb. It relaxes the body, it relaxes those inflamed nerves, relaxes your nervous system, and it's literally like after a big day, it wraps you into a blanket of comfort and just calms you down. And it's the best tasting herb from this entire protocol. What am I talking about? I'm talking about lemon balm or Melissa officinalis. Got another video about that one. If you want to learn more about Melissa officinalis, it also has a lot of other health benefits. Link you that up here. So number 1 was stinging nettle, number 2 lemon balm. Now we're gonna come to the 3rd category of herbs. Your liver has one taste that it likes the most, and your liver is essential if you want to heal your allergies. And this taste is bitter. Now, who guys of you likes bitter? Nice and bitter. Disclaimer up front, those are medicinal herbs. They are not supposed to taste like, oh my god, amazing. It's not like your favorite latte or having a hot chocolate. They work, they usually taste horrible, but they're gonna help you to get better. In the category of bitter herbs, I've selected 3 for you, so you can make your pick, choose from them. You don't have to use all 3 of them, pick 1. Number 1, this is probably the most hardcore, so if you're really into let's do it hardcore, I wanna heal, this herb is called centauri. It's one of the bitterest herbs on planet Earth, and this is why your liver is like, yay, let's give me centauri. When is that good to use? If you have cramps in your digestive system or any other digestive problems, centauri will be your best pick. Apart from that, it helps with your liver cleansing and so with your allergies as well. By the way, guys, I took the effort and I've selected the best products on everything that I'm recommending right now, so you know to get to the shop, and there is the category for hay fever and allergies where you can find everything. Number 1, centauri herb. Number 2 is herb called butterbur. Butterbur is the same family as our beautiful sunflower. If you have migraines and anxiety, any hormonal problems, then butterbur will be your best pick out of those 3, including of course your allergies. 3rd one, guys, this is for the more gentle ones. It's not that bitter, and it actually is a great replacement for your morning coffee. This one is also the one that I would recommend if you want to clean your liver, if you want to detoxify your liver, and if you've got a history with antibiotics. If there is a lot of toxicity in your body and you know that your liver is the place where this toxicity has like the central place in your body. So if that's the case for you, we are gonna go for dandelion root tea. I would recommend you to go for unroasted dandelion tea, just because anything that is roasted is a little bit harsh on the gut. That would be my favorite pick. Again, best products down below. Question of the day. I'd love to know from you in the comments below. Have you tried any of those herbs that I'm recommending? Have you tried nettle, for example, already, or dandelion? Thank you for sharing in the comments below. short summary before we come to the second part, where I give you the exact protocol that I also recommend to my clients when working with allergies, so you know exactly when to drink this, when to eat this in your daily life. Herbs to include are nettles, lemon balm, and then choose one of the 3 bitter herbs, either centauri, butterbur, or dandelion root. If you like this video so far, I invite you to consider sharing it with your friends, sharing it with people you know who also suffer from allergies, because this is natural wisdom. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, you're not yet part of the Gut Feeder family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. There are coming 2 new videos every week your way, and I do my best to answer your questions in the comments below. Are you ready for the second part? Now, how to include all those tips that I give you. I wanted to make it really linear and easy for you to include this in your daily diet. Short notice up front, it's important that you are consistent with this, and patience you need as well. Now, I understand that you want to get better, you have symptoms, you're watching this video because you want to get rid of this congested sinus, having headaches, of having hives, itching all over, can't breathe, no energy. I was there, I suffered from that for 15 years. So I completely get you, you want to have something fast, and that's why I created this protocol. It does work, but you gotta be in there for the long term. Best time to start this protocol is 1 month before your actually allergy symptoms start. Now, if you're watching this and you are in the midst of it, it's still beneficial to do that, but it's gonna take longer. Don't expect to be completely healed after 1 week doing this, but you're gonna see improvements. For the protocol I recommend now, there is no end, but for the sake of feeling better with your allergies, I recommend at least 2 weeks consistency of this protocol. Better would be 4. Okay, you're still breathing, I know this is a lot. Now, let's make it easy for you how to include this protocol in your daily life. First thing you're gonna do is in the morning, if you don't do anything else like lemon water, celery juice, etc., then the tea comes after. You wanna start with the 3rd category, with the most unpleasant one, which are the bitter ones. If you're feeling really hardcore and you wanna do centauri herb for breakfast, that's the best time to do it. Also, if you're a little bit more gentle and you want to go for the dandelion root tea as a coffee replacement, highly recommended. The morning is better before you eat anything and after the lemon juice and after the celery juice, if you do that, because your liver is more receptive. So anything you do in the morning is going to have bigger effect on the liver. We're going to drink 1 to 2 cups, preferably on an empty stomach. And then second, the nettles. The stinging nettles are for throughout the day. Now, you can't drink enough nettle tea, that's not possible. You just might go to the toilet a little bit more often, but that's also great for eliminating toxins, fueling your body with nutrients. But 2 cups of nettle tea are the minimum. And if you like, this is highly recommended because it's actually also a food nettle, it's not just an herb. You can implement nettles in your morning smoothie. If you, for example, do a smoothie or you do a soup, then you can include nettles either fresh or powdered in your lunch, for example, or your dinner. I've got a link for nettle leaf powder also down below or in the shop then. And you would use 1 tablespoon of this nettle powder in your morning smoothie. For example, I personally prefer that with ripe bananas and nettle and just some water and blend it. It's perfect. 3 to 4 ripe bananas and the nettle powder, and you've got some greens in already. Number 3, the lemon balm is the perfect tea before bed. 1 cup is enough before you go to sleep as part of your evening ritual, and like in half an hour before going to bed. Having your lemon balm is going to help you relax the nervous system, like really calm down the inflammation. And also for most people, it tastes really pleasant to drink it. Summary of the protocol. Number 1, you start with bitter in the morning, 1 to 2 cups on an empty stomach. Then we go for nettle throughout the day whenever possible, and including 1 tablespoon of nettle powder if you like. And then third, the lemon balm, 1 to 2 cups in the evening to help you relax and lower the inflammation in the body. I hope this video was valuable to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.